Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the latest and most innovative tools on the market. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best Cinta Metrica laser metros digital available right now. The Ristophe 2-in-1 laser tape measure. Now, this tool isn't just a one-trick pony. It's a smart combination of a traditional 16-foot measuring tape and a highly accurate 197-foot laser measuring device. This hybrid design makes it incredibly versatile, whether you're doing detailed woodworking in your garage or laying out floor plans on a construction site. One of the standout features of this device is its laser functionality. It offers 6 distinct laser measuring modes: distance, continuous measurement, area, volume, Pythagorean 2-point, and Pythagorean 3-point. This means you're not limited to just measuring from point A to point B. You can calculate complex dimensions like diagonals and ceiling heights without needing another pair of hands. And it does all of this with a precision of plus or minus 1/8 of an inch. The digital display is clear and easy to read, even in low light conditions. It also includes a memory function, allowing you to scroll back through your recent measurements. A real lifesaver when you're juggling multiple numbers during a project. You can switch between meters, inches, and feet, depending on what suits your workflow best. Plus, the device automatically shuts off after 3 minutes of inactivity, saving energy and adding a layer of safety. Now let's talk about power. This isn't your average battery-operated gadget. It's equipped with a rechargeable battery that supports up to 5,000 measurements on a full charge. It charges via Type-C, and there's a dust-resistant cap over the port to keep debris out while you're working. Just remember to charge it before you start, especially if you're heading out to a remote job site. Moving to the manual side, the 16-foot tape measure is built for everyday use. It's coated in nylon for rust and wear resistance, and it includes a magnetic hook that securely attaches to iron surfaces. Whether you're working alone or need to measure across metallic beams or frames, this feature ensures stability and ease of use. The design is also worth noting. It's built from tough ABS material that resists drops and general wear and tear. The 3-button interface is simple and intuitive, so even if you're new to digital measuring tools, you'll pick it up in no time. It's compact, fits well in the hand, and comes with a built-in belt clip so you can carry it around on site or in your workshop without fumbling for space. In the box, you get the laser measuring tape, a Type-C charging cable, a user manual, and a sturdy packaging box. Everything you need to get started is included. So who is this for? Honestly, anyone who measures things. Construction workers, electricians, interior designers, real estate professionals, even homeowners who love their weekend DIYs. If you've been switching back and forth between digital and manual tools, the Ristophe 2-in-1 gives you the power of both in one compact unit. To wrap it up, the Ristophe 2-in-1 laser tape measure delivers performance, accuracy, and convenience in a sleek package. It's robust, reliable, and intelligently designed, exactly what we love here at Product Critique. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more practical reviews on the tools you actually use. See you in the next video.